Hey guys, Greg here with Collective. Wanted to take a moment and highlight the general availability of shared and certified Power BI datasets. Now, this feature has been in preview since June of 2019, and many organizations, as well as Collective, have been taking advantage of its capabilities. But now having it generally available in the Power BI community, I think is truly a game changer. What does that actually mean? Well, organizations can now continue to utilize best practice report building methods by developing Power BI data models, then publishing them to the Power BI service. And then once they're in the service, we can then label them as a promoted or certified data set, which is, in my mind, truly awesome. But why is that so awesome? Well, this feature now allows organizations to manage these Power BI data models and create a single version of the truth. So instead of everyone in the organization, creating their own models, kind of turning into the Wild West of reports out there, all report developers as well as self-service Power BI users can build off of the same sheet of music. That one model that we're publishing to the service, they can all build off of that. And doing so, the end users of those reports can be confident the metrics and data behind the reports are accurate. So because this is now generally available, I would encourage organizations to start taking advantage of shared and certified data sets and then start including them in your data governance plans and your policies. Looking forward to seeing what's next in the Power BI community, but that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, everyone. Would love to hear your comments and questions in the chat, and also hear how you and your organizations are either using Power BI shared and certified data sets, or how are you planning on using them. Also, keep an eye out for more videos like this one, where we'll continue to update you on awesome Power BI features, as well as some sweet Power BI tips and tricks.